Today we are going to find out the solution of a quadratic equation. Suppose we are considering one quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation because x square term is there. Now we want to find out the solution of this quadratic equation. To find out the solution of this quadratic equation, we have to see first the coefficient of x square. Here there is no term, that means coefficient is 1. C term, ax square plus bx plus c, this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So here a term is 1, c is 10, that is minus 10. So minus 10 into 1 is minus 10. We have to split minus 10 so as to get the splitting up of middle term as minus 3. Suppose if we consider 10 factors, 5 into 2 is 10. That means if you take minus 5 plus 2, then we will get minus 3. So we have to factorize this term so as to get minus 3 because here minus 3 is there. So I factorize it 10 as 5 2s are 10. I put 5 minus because I have to get minus 3. Minus 5 plus 2, then only I will get minus 3. So that is the logic. So first we have to check what is the term here, what is the term here, and what is the coefficient here. That coefficient and this term multiply, then you factorize this, then put the sign plus or minus accordingly. We have to get minus b term. Then our matter is easy. X square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So I split the middle term minus 3x as minus 5x plus 2x. This minus 5 and 2 I have taken from the factors of this 10. So now x I can make common from these two. If x is common, one x is remained, x minus 5, this x gone outside, plus here 2 is common between these two, again x only remained, minus 5. If you are doing splitting up for middle term, these two will come like this, is equal to 0. Now between these two x minus 5 is common, x minus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. That means x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 2. So the solution of the quadratic equation is 5 minus 2. 5 or minus 2. Quadratic equation have two solutions. So the solution of quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0 is either 5 or minus 2. This is the method to find out the solution of the quadratic equation by splitting up of middle terms.